In my hand is the latest action camera from SVBONY, and that is the SVGO3, and it's got the potential to cause a massive storm in the action camera market. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, why? Well, before I tell you the price, listen to this. This camera will give you 60 frames per second at 4K. You'll also get electronic stabilisation, 6 axes, meaning it should give you super smooth footage. It has an unbelievably long battery life, and it gets better. It gets seriously better because it says it will give us amazing low light quality footage. It has a magnetic clip mount on it, meaning quick on and off from your helmet to your bike or wherever you want. Just get the little mounts and you are well away. It comes with loads of features, remote, different mounts, the whole lot. But the thing of it is, the price right is less than £150. Less than £150 for an action camera that can do all of that. That's over half the price of some of the big boys. But let's see if the SVGO3 can actually keep up by giving it an unboxing, and we'll set the camera up, but most of all we'll put it through that real world test. Let's find out if this is as good as it sounds. Let's start with the great unboxing. On opening up the box, you'll find your user manual. This is clear and easy to read and understand with step-by-step instructions. The action camera comes in this waterproof case. This is a diver's case, meaning that you can go to a depth of 30 meters or 98 feet and your camera will be waterproof. Taking the SVGO3 out of the case, it feels extremely good quality, really robust in the hand. It is 71mm long and 50mm high. It has a flat base because it's designed to take a magnetic clip-in system. The action camera comes with so many accessories, a whole box full. For a start, you get this lav mic, 1800 milliamp high capacity batteries that will record up to 150 minutes at 4K. It comes with a battery charger, and even with the batteries in, I've never felt a charger this light. The lights will go red and then green once your batteries are charged. It comes with an ultra slim remote with a strap, so it's easy to strap onto your jacket or anywhere that you need. This remote really is super thin and again really light. It comes with a 128GB micro SD card, a handlebar mount that looks easy to attach, a hard protective case, one quick release mount, a whole bunch of different attachments, meaning that you could fit it to your helmet in all different ways, 2 sticky flat mounts, plus a whole load of spares and also a lens cleaner, extra straps and a USB-C charger. That's everything you'll find inside the box. Make sure you give your batteries a full charge before use. To insert your SD card, all you have to do is slide the panel down, pull it up, and inside where the battery goes you'll see your SD card slot. Just slot it in. To attach your quick release mount, it's that easy. You just hold it near it, the magnets pull it into place, give it a bit of a push for the clips to go in, and it will be secure. Just remember to remove all the protective layers. Now pop your battery in when charged and switch on the device for the first time. On powering up, you'll get a selection of languages. Select your language, and from there the first thing you'll need to do is format your SD card. Once that's complete, it's time to have a look through the settings, and there is loads of them, so you can really set the camera up to exactly how you want. But what I'd recommend is changing your 4K from 30 to 60 frames per second. The reason why, if you want to slow anything down, you'll be able to get that slow-mo effect. Also, make sure you turn on stabilisation, and as you can see, everything is really easy to negotiate using the touchscreen on the rear of the camera. To swap to the front screen, all you have to do is hold down the record button for a few seconds and it will pop over. And that's everything I'd recommend, so it's time to get on the road. So here we are, the real world test, and what you'll notice is I've got the SVBONY SVGO3 just here on the chin of the helmet. Give me that forward facing, that POV shot. So we'll swap over to that now, and as you can see, this is the direct image quality that you're going to get at 4K 60 frames per second. Take a moment to take in the colours, especially as we're about to hit autumn here in the UK. And as you can also see, it's quite a cloudy, dull day, so you're getting a real life vision coming from this camera. The other thing that's worth taking note of is as cars are coming towards us like now, motion blur. Is it nice and crisp and nice and clear? Is this 4K image giving you exactly what you're looking for from the camera? Now again, we're getting a little bit of vibration off of the bike as well. So another thing that's really important to look at is the stabilisation where we want it to be. Is it giving us that nice clear vision? It's not shaky, not blurry, not putting lines across the screen. Now going back to the image itself, the quality of the colours, the saturation, the greens and the reds within the trees. The next thing I want us to look at is the sharpness of what we're getting from the lens of this camera. Are we able to read things like the number plate in front, clearly make out the signs as we pass them as well? Because what we look for when we're out filming our action, our rides, doing our trips, is all of those things, aren't we? We're looking for that natural colour, that sharpness, good stabilisation. And is that what the SVGO3 is giving us? Okay, now what I've swapped the camera over. So I'm giving you a facing camera view. So you can see exactly how it looks. Imagine if you had two and you were doing two shots between both cameras. You'd be able to get that face look. And then what we're looking for now is a good background colour again, good colour on the helmet itself. Is it giving you that real clear, in-depth field of view? Now it's attached to the handlebars. What we're getting as well is a lot more shaking. So is this 6-axis gimbal stabilisation actually giving you that quality? Because that electronic stabilisation really needs to kick in and give you that silky smooth finish at this point, because trust me, these country roads can be quite bumpy. Okay, we're now coming up to a couple of bends, and as we take in these bends and as we twist in, I'm hoping what the camera's giving you right now is that kind of thing of being there, that twisting in, that movement to really get you engaged in the shot. Okay, next up, what we'll give you is some action shots. The bike going down the road, some different camera angles, a ride by, and let's see how well the SVGO3 performs. And now the last thing I want to try out with the SVGO3, of course, is the vlog. Can you just get it out your bag, switch it on, capture that audio? Now, everything you're about to see is going to be filmed on this camera from the mic that's from the camera itself. You do get a lav mic with it you can clip on a cable, but I want to use this in the real world like we normally would, be able to pull it out, vlog away and capture a scene. So shall we? Because this action camera comes with this front screen, I can see currently right now I am perfectly in shot. All the audio that you're capturing is going directly into the microphone on the front of the camera. But let me just give you a little bit of a look. So let's have a close look at my beautiful Triumph Scrambler. So there it is. This is a lovely Triumph Scrambler 900 and it's just absolutely beautiful. I love the way the design happens just here with the exhaust as it moves along and comes perfectly out at the end, giving you that real thunderous noise as you're going along. A couple of the accessories that I really like on this bike is this bag just here as well. And of course, my amazing tank strap. I think it just goes really well with this lovely matte green. It's kind of army matte green going on there. I mean, just look at it. It's an absolutely stunning bike. Now, the other side, when we're out vlogging, of course, we like to capture all this beautiful scenery going on in the background. So let me give you that walkover panoramic kind of look. Let's grab you that exact shot so you can see how good this camera performs. So there you go. There is the awesome quality that you're going to get with the backdrop on as well. But I'm going to bring you up closer and let you have a look at some of these leaves on this tree, so you can get a real idea of the colours that you'll get when you're getting a lot more up close. On here we've got a lovely light green with some yellow going on just there, and just look how stunning that is. Now, I do like the point that this camera does have some other features like slow-mo, time-lapse, etc. But one of the things it has got is a 20 megapixel camera. So I'm going to grab you a shot from here so you can finally see how good the picture quality is. Well, there you go. That's what it's like to vlog from this camera. It's really good to have this front screen again so I can see I'm exactly in shot. Now, there's hardly any lag going to it whatsoever. But what it's time for me to do is go back and check out this footage, because what we've done some riding footage, we've got some action footage, and we've also got some vlogging footage. And I need to have a really close look at this. Then I'm going to come back to you and give you my final verdict on this action camera. Okay, so I've come back and I've had a really good look at the footage. And you know what? The SVBONY SVGO3, well, it's not bad, is it? I mean, those colours are quite clear. The image quality is nice. The stabilisation works really, really, really well. I generally think if you are quite good at editing, you can make those colours pop even more, because everything that I filmed on this camera was on its standard settings. It was just out of the box. All I did was change it to 60 frames per second and hit record. So I think more time, more playing with this, I could get even better image quality and even better videos from it. But here's the thing. Here's the thing that actually really impresses me. And if you think about it, if you're about to start your journey and you want to get your first action camera, you can get 2 of these. That's right, 2 of these for the price of the competitor at the same league in the market. Now, here's the thing though. This is not there. It's not at the league of things like the DJI Action 5 or the GoPro 13. But what it is at the league where you can get some amazing shots and some great footage, and you can afford to do 2. What means that suddenly, if you can buy 2 of these, you can get all those different shots, 2 cameras rolling, one up here, one on your handlebars, tail it off, pop it down, get the ride by shot. So if you're looking to start your journey, I reckon SVBONY have really cracked it with this camera. So if you're interested in picking up one of these, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you to go and pick yours up today. And if there's the latest discount code, it'll be down there too. And if you've purchased it, or you're thinking of buying one, or you've gone out and you've ridden one, you've really reviewed it, do you know what? Put down in the comments, let everybody know what you think to this camera, because to be fair, I'm quite impressed, and I would like some more time with these, and I would like a few more of these to get even more shots. At that price, I really, really can. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest tech here in the motorcycle world. The perfect action cameras, to the bike reviews, to amazing adventures. It's all going on this channel. So I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and bye-bye for now.